Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome back with the rest of the puzzles. Not in today's newspaper on Thursday, April the 14th, 2022. No, it's the yesterday's edition of Wednesday, April the 13th, 2022. Because in today's newspaper there are no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the edition of yesterday. There are three puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 2 stars, and the tectonic. But first, I will solve the letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku number. This will be number 4407. Alright, 4407. Before I start, let me count the printed, not digit, but letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 27 printed letters. And those letters are always different. And those letters that you can use are 9 letters. The B, the P, the R, the T, the C, the L, the S, the U, and the I. And the goal is to solve this word. It's a Dutch word. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about the T in the last row? The T in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the T should be here. Oh, there we see that T, no T there. T should be here. Then 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an I. We see here an I in this row, so no I in this box. Here an I in the last column, so no I in that box. So the I could be here, could be there. I in the last column, I in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the I should be here or there. We see there an I, no I there. I should be here. Alright, a U in the last row, U in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the U should be here or there. We see there U, no U there, U should be here. Alright. Okay. By the way, the letter Sudoku, 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1-star puzzle, 1-star Sudoku, it's totally different with 1-star Sudoku with digits. With 1-star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, with the letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes. That's my goal. To solve this between 15 and 20 minutes. Alright, so let's continue. Okay. We have a R in this column, R in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the R should be here or there. We see there an R, no R there, R should be here. B. Yeah. You. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a U. We see here U in the last column. No U in this box. Here U in the first row. No U in that box. So the U could be here, could be there. U in one of those 2 boxes in this column. U in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the U should be there. Then we have here B, P, S in the last column. S in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the S should be there. We U in the third column, U in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only two places left for the U should be here or there. We see there U, no U there, U should be here. Now we have a U here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with U. So this box can't be U anymore. That box should be U. Okay. The P, the B. B. The P. R, T, C, L, S, T, B, Oh, well, we have 3 missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the B is missing, the P is missing, and the L is missing. BPL. And look, we have a B and an L in this column. So no B and L in this box. The B and L goes in those 2 boxes. B and L. B and L. So one letter is missing in this big square for the letter P. One letter is missing in this column for the letter, I believe, the letter C. Yeah, the C is missing. Okay. Well, 3 missing letters in this column. One of the missing letters is B. Well, we see here B in this big square, so no B in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the B should be here. So 1 letter is missing in this big square for letter L. 2 missing letters here in this column. The I and the L is missing. L, yeah. All right. Now we have 1 missing letter in this big square for the letter P. P, yes. C, B, and U in this row, U in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the U should be here or there. We see there U, no U there, U should be there. And all the U's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter U. Yeah. I'm thinking. T, T, B. 4 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the P and the T. We have a P and a T in this column. So no P and a T in these 2 boxes. The P and the T goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, P and T, P and a T. We have a P there. No P there. P should be here and a T goes there. So now we have 2 missing letters in this big square for letters I is missing. And the S is missing. I and S. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here and the S goes there. Same for the first row. 2 missing letters, the I and the S. Let me mark those 2 boxes in the first row. 2 missing letters in the second row. Those letters are, the B is missing and the T is missing. B and a T, B and a T. We have a T there, no T there. T should be here and the B goes there. Alright. 2 missing letters in the first column. For the letters, C is missing. And R is missing. C and the R. C and the R. We have a C there. No C there. C should be here. And the R goes there. So we have a R in this row, R in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the R should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing letters in this column. One of the missing letters is a P. We see here P in this big square. So no P in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the P. Should be there. P in this column, P in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the P should be here or there. We see there P, no P there, P should be here. P in this row, P in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the P should be here or there. We see there P, no P there, P should be there. And all the P's are used. I can see digit number. Letter number 2, letter P. All right. Okay. Let me continue. We have here now 2 missing letters in this row. The I and the L. The I and the L. We have an I there. No I there. I should be here and the L goes there. 1 box left in this big square for letter L. L in this last row, L in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the L should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. C is missing and the B is missing. C and a B, C and a B. We have a B there, no B there. B should be here and the C goes there. 1 box left in the last row. For the letter, I believe the I, yes, the I is missing. The I is missing. Okay. 2 missing letters in the third row. For the letters R is missing and the L is missing. R and the L, R and the L. We have an L there, no L there. L should be here and the R goes there. R in this column, R in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the R should be here or there. We see there, no R there, R should be here. R in this row. R, oh wait, yeah. R in this row, R in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the R should be here or there. We see there, R, no R there. Should be here and all the R's are used. I can see letter number 3, letter R. 2 missing letters in this big square. For the letters, S is missing and the B is missing. S and a B, S and a B. We have a B there, no B there. B should be here and S goes there. 2 missing letters in this middle column. The I and S. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here and the S goes there. 1 box left in this big square for letter S. 2 missing letters in this column. For the letters, I is missing and the C is missing. I and a C. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here and the C goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, finished. I've solved the word. The word in Dutch, strip club. Well, it's also an English word, strip club or erotic club. Strip club, yes. Alright, let me continue. S in this row, S in the middle row. So on the row above, the only 2 places left for the S should be here or there. We see there an S, no S there, S should be there. 1 box left in this column for the letter, I believe. The letter... The T. Yeah, the T is missing. Alright. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters C and the L. C and L. We have a C there. No C there. C should be here. And the L goes there. C in this row. C in the middle row. So on the row above, the only place left for the C should be here. L in this row, L in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the L should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square. For the letters T is missing. And the B is missing. T and a B. T and a B. We have a T there, no T there. T should be here. And the B goes there. And the final 2 letters in this big square. For the letters T is also missing. And the B is missing. T and a B. T and a B. We have a T there, no T there. T should be here. And the B goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a letter Sudoku. And I've solved this in 16 minutes. And I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. A Sudoku with 2 stars. This is a 2 stars puzzle. Yeah. Until then, bye-bye for now.